put it in.
You have a good view, sir.
Yeah, it's crazy. Man.
This is insane.
Get a kayak and go down the street. Feel sorry for the people who live there. Their basement is flooded.
Oh, this is terrible. This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible.
I don't think it's fresh water.
Oh, you think it's sewage?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's not fresh water. That's water, and it's a pipe coming down the hill. To have that much pressure, it can't be just going sideways. It's coming down the hill.
Oh my goodness.
I mean, that's what, 20 feet, 30 feet in the air?
That is 30 feet in the air. That is true.
Oh, these guys, I think they just tapped into it by accident, eh?
They just tapped into it by accident.
Well, look, they don't look like they know what's going on.
They don't know what's going on.
They're like, what happened?
And how long does it go on?
Who knows?
It looks like they just stand.
I mean, like what, 8 guys?
Oh, it's
Like, what the
insane.
hell?
It's insane.
Down the street, eh? They dug a big hole, probably fill that hole up with water.
Oh boy. Can you videotape just a little bit and you can catch me on the phone? I'm on the phone with CTV, okay? I'm on the phone with CTV trying to get them down here.
Oh, they'll be here for that. The news is coming, that's for sure. Here. Stand up against the pipe. I'll get the water behind you.
I got an answering machine. Who are we gonna call?
Oh, that's clearing the 2nd floor easily.
Almost the third.
Yeah, hi. I'm calling about a exploded water main downtown. So please call me back as soon as possible. This is incredible, okay? My phone number is 514-699-9039. You can also reach me at 514-969-49.
Look, he lives there. I go back.
My name is Rick Von Rose, and I'm here to report this incredible explosive water main in the corner of St. Antoine
And Green.
It is incredible. So call me back. Thank you.
I'm so good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
11:15 Saturday afternoon.
Oh my God.
Oh well, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
There you go. I got you with the water in the back.
The heavens and the earth combined.
Go down to the street to the laneway there, see the water flowing. This is like Niagara Falls.
Oh, it is Niagara Falls. And you live around here, sir?
Yeah, I live right over there on
You're-
St. Antoine.
Okay. Me too. Good thing we're over there.
Yeah, right?
No kidding.